In an unprecedented move that blurs the line between Silicon Valley and the military-industrial complex, top executives from Meta, OpenAI, and Palantir have been sworn in as lieutenant colonels in the U.S. Army Reserve. This is not a symbolic gesture. It's the official launch of a new unit, Detachment 201, designed to fuse big tech's know-how directly into the American military machine, making it leaner, smarter, and more lethal. The inaugural members of this Executive Innovation Corps are a who's who of tech royalty: Palantir's CTO Shyam Sankar, Meta's CTO Andrew Bosworth, OpenAI's Chief Product Officer Kevin Weil, and former OpenAI research lead Bob McGrew. These executives will serve approximately 120 hours annually, skipping traditional boot camp in favor of an express training program. Their mission is to advise on modernizing warfare with AI-powered systems, ground robots, drones, and coordinated sensor networks, directly bridging the commercial military tech gap. This partnership marks a dramatic and controversial reversal for Silicon Valley, which historically resisted military work, famously seen in the employee revolts over Google's Project Maven. The new drivers are twofold: the unsustainable economics of training large language models on consumer revenue alone, and a stark lessons from modern conflicts where commercial tech has proven decisive. As Army Chief of Staff General Randy George stated, "We need to go faster, and that's exactly what we are doing here." At the heart of this alliance is Palantir, the data analytics firm named after the all-seeing orb from Lord of the Rings and built for what its founder calls danger. Palantir's CTO Shyam Sankar boasted about the initiative, citing a geopolitical sea change that requires a scramble for mobilization. This aligns with the company's aggressive pro-military stance, defined by its founder's declaration that Palantir is here to, on occasion, kill them. This new level of integration is raising alarms among ethicists and safety watchdogs. As companies like OpenAI and Meta embrace lucrative defense contracts, like OpenAI's recent $200 million deal and Meta's partnership with Anduril to build AI combat goggles, they are simultaneously dismantling their own internal safety policies. Nonprofits have documented dozens of changes to ethical guidelines, including OpenAI removing its ban on military applications. Critics point to an immense conflict of interest, where the same executives advising the Pentagon on tech acquisition belong to the companies competing for those billion-dollar contracts. Key takeaways: Silicon Valley enlists. Top executives from Meta, OpenAI, and Palantir are now U.S. Army lieutenant colonels in a new unit, Detachment 201. The mission: to directly integrate private sector AI expertise into the military for developing advanced warfare capabilities involving drones, robots, and AI systems. A strategic reversal. This ends big tech's years-long resistance to military contracts, driven by new economic pressures and geopolitical realities. The Palantir connection. The controversial defense-focused data firm Palantir is a central player, with its CTO being a key member of the new corps. Ethical red flags. The partnership coincides with major AI companies quietly removing their own safety guardrails and creating massive conflicts of interest between their advisory roles and corporate contracts. The line between the consumer AI that powers our daily lives and the algorithms being designed for the battlefield has effectively been erased. This Detachment 201 isn't just a new program. It's a symbol of a new era where Silicon Valley's titans are no longer just contractors. They are now part of the military command structure, tasked with building the future of war.